gosh. My arm just dislocated. No, my arm just popped.
Jordan, dance. Dance!
No, you're doing that.
No, you have to get drinking now.
I don't know how to do that.
You can just be like... don't post on Facebook though.
I won't.
I want to see this
You know
though.
I'm
will
friends with
see.
Stephanie on Facebook, right?
Dude, I'm being fucking serious.
I will block her from it. Like, I can
No.
choose who sees it.
No, dude. If you do that, I will never talk to you again. Please don't.
I can see if she... I can choose if she can see it. or
Don't
not.
post
What?
it.
Because she has friends on there that have kids that you're probably friends with. Like, she has
I'm not...
connections.
I'm only with her.
She has connections. Please don't.
Delete
I
it.
don't... Connections from who? Do you know how Facebook works?
Don't. Please.
Hold on. Do you know how Facebook works? Oh crap, I was recording.